Yeah. Let me testify, let me testify. Let me let you all know the reason why I turned out to be this type of guy. Cause you still can't see it, you need a third eye. Coming from a place like where I come from, man, ain't a lot of good right where I come from. So all the negativity you see me, you should probably blame it on where I come from. Young as barely 13, out your burning green. Young ghosts busting it open, now they into things. I guess we really need to watch our kids, cause I'm a daddy too. Yeah, nigga, I got a kid. Young Nathan, God's gift, that's what it mean. And this be God's gift, I hope you feeling me. Cause I'm tryna kill like the virus being. I'm in my nigga V flawless being. I hope you're listening, I hope you're not deaf, nigga. Please Lord stay with me, cause niggas out of test niggas. Plus they say life come with no guarantees, and you only live once, that's what they telling me. What if it's all fiction, what if it's not true? Staring at they contradictions and know this ain't nothing true. But all that bullshit, they make us believe. But I ain't politicking, I'm just saying, babe. Let me testify, let me testify. 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 Look, the stress is building up, I can't believe suicide's on a nigga mind. I'm down on my knees, begging the Lord for the reason why. What the life I lead, just can't drop it cause I wish that I really wish I did, And me and my peoples don't get along. Cause all these fake friends, but they hate along. Don't give a middle finger if you get me wrong. I'm from Stashini, where it's cool when you bang along. But a lot of my peoples die from all that, and most is in cages cause of all that. Something's gotta give, really need change right here. But it's the life we live, goonies killing goons right here. They taking shots, trying to take a nigga out. But I'm shacking still, so what you on about? Been killing this shit, but they ain't heard me out. I guess I keep screaming till they hear me out. Cause I'm a gunshot in the midst of fireworks and I would not stop. I wonder, does it hurt when your heart stops? Now take your last breath and watch them tears drop. As the casket drop, they say slowly but surely we'll get there. Do you believe that? Will we ever get there? Now that's that bullshit they make us believe. But I ain't politicking, I'm just saying, B. Let me testify, let me testify. Let me testify, let me testify. Let me testify, let me testify.